In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image gallery in Shopify, and the best part? It's absolutely free. Whether you're showcasing your latest products, sharing customer photos, or telling a visual story about your brand, an image gallery is a fantastic way to engage visitors and enhance the visual appeal of your online store. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you every step of the way to create a stunning gallery using Shopify. First things first, let's navigate to your online store theme. This is where everything begins. When you're in your theme, look for the option to go to the template section. Here we're going to add a collage. Collages can be a dynamic and attractive way to present your images in a gallery. Once you're in the template section, you should see an option to add a section. Go ahead and click that. Adding a new section will give us the space we need to start building our gallery from scratch. Now that we've got our section ready, let's start adding images. Click on the image placeholder in the collage we just added. You'll then be prompted to select the image you want to appear in your gallery. This part might take a bit of time, especially if you have a lot of images to choose from, but it's worth the effort. Be sure to select images that are both high quality and relevant to the theme or products you want to present. It's important to do this one image at a time. This way, you can ensure each picture is exactly where you want it in the collage and it looks visually balanced. Once you've carefully filled your collage with the images of your choice, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Save button. By clicking Save, you make sure that all the hard work you've put into organizing and selecting your images is preserved. Forgetting this step could mean having to start from scratch. And there you have it. With your gallery saved and set up in your Shopify online store, you're now ready to provide an enhanced shopping experience for your customers. Users will be greeted with a vibrant and engaging visual display that not only showcases your products, but also tells the story of your brand. Take a moment to preview everything and make any last-minute adjustments to the layout or the images if needed. This will ensure that your gallery perfectly represents your business as you envisioned. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to create an image gallery in Shopify for free. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your new gallery brings in more visitors and potential customers. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and happy gallery making!